Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Keckle, and today we are going to be discussing fairy tales and some of the basics of them. Okay, so first off, what are stories? A sequence of events that tell the reader about a person, place, or thing. Stories usually have a moral/lesson the author wants to inform the reader about. Also, there are different types of stories, such as nonfiction, autobiography. There's a lot of different types of stories. Are all stories the same? So all stories are different. Stories often have similarities such as pictures, dialogue, and events. However, no one story is exactly the same as another. So what is a fairy tale specifically? So fairy tales are make-believe stories that include magical elements and often begin with the saying, "Once upon a time." So some fairy tale examples, it could be anything from Cinderella, Jack and the Beanstalk, Little Red Riding Hood. There are a ton of different fairy tales out there. Okay, so now it's your turn. We are going to play a Kahoot, and all you have to do is click on the Kahoot little cell phone off to the side, and this Kahoot will be for a grade, so make sure you look through the answers carefully before answering. However, you can take this Kahoot multiple times, and I'll take the best grade for each attempt. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have fun. Thanks. Bye-bye.